Hello everyone, we are from Teammate in Social Innovation and Practice Lab, and these are our teammates, and our product is fire accident smoke exhaust, and our teammates are Kartikeya, Yakanna, Balaji and myself Manisai, Tanuja and Tejasvi.
Everyone, this is Yakanna. I will to explain identification of problem. The most of the death in fire accident due to smoke inhalation. Recently in Sonala complex, there are six members are died due to the smoke inhalation. The death due to the release of toxic gases while waiting for the rescue team. Even the civilian can escape from the fire but can't from the smoke.
Everyone, I am Balaji. The main objective of our project is to remove smoke efficiently and swiftly in the fire accidents. Ultimately, our fire accident smoke exhaust aims to protect lives.
Hello, this is Vishwa Deyash. There are some existing solutions like water sprinkling, chimney and fire extinguisher. Water sprinkling are used to sprinkle the water when fire accidents happen. Chimney mostly be used in kitchens, and fire extinguisher used to extinguish the smoke.
This is Tanuja. In this project, user requirements are Arduino. It is the main component of the project, and second one is the smoke sensor. Smoke sensor is used for the sense the toxic gases and other smokes. Next one is jumper wires. Jumper wires is used for the one connecting from one component to another component, and buzzer it is used for the alarm. MOSFET is used for the switching purpose, and DC fan is used to remove the smoke.
Hello everyone, my name is Kartikeya. Gaps in existing solutions are: water sprinklers can only stop fire, not smoke. Chimneys can only absorb smoke from the kitchens, not fire accidents. Fire extinguishers are completely manual.
This is Manisai, and this is our business model fire accident smoke exhaust. Let us consider this is a room, and in this room a fire accident has happened. So let's check how it is working. Here we have smoke, and we are placing the smoke inside this. When we place the smoke inside, and as you can see how the smoke is spreading in the chamber. Whenever it turns on, it automatically detects the smoke, and smoke is exhausted from this fan here. Let us check the output. I am switching on the power supply. Detected. As you can see, the smoke sensor is automatically detected, and the smoke is exhausting through this fan. As you can see, the smoke is coming from the fan, and as you can see here, the movement has been changed in the smoke. Initially the smoke is spreading all over the room, but whenever the smoke is fan is turned on, you can see the movement in the smoke, and smoke is going through this. Here smoke is going through these vents. As you can see, for your clear understanding, smoke is removing like this efficiently. This is our smoke sensor, and here the buzzer. It alerts the users or else persons or civilians. It alerts, and here the smokes extracts from these vents, and this is our fan. And this is how our business model fire accident smoke exhaust works. Thank you.